Today, I'll guide you through a quick tutorial on wrapping text around your subject in Photoshop. First thing first, press Ctrl or Command R to bring up the rulers. Drag the margins from the top, bottom and sides to your desired positions. Now, hit P for the pen tool. Start drawing a path around your subject, beginning from a corner. For straight lines, hold down the Shift key as you draw the path. Once your path is complete, press T for the text tool. Click inside the path and start typing. Customize your text however you like. To fill it with some random text, go to the Type menu and choose Paste Lorem Ipsum. You can repeat this for more text. Click outside with the Move tool selected. Perfect. Your text is wrapped around your subject. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to write in the comments. Let me know if there is anything else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching and I'll catch you in the next video. Until then, bye bye, take care.